Hello viewers, let's discuss how to choose the right neighborhood for your next home today. Picking the perfect neighborhood is just as important as finding the right house. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and find a neighborhood that feels like home. Let's dive in. 1. Identify your priorities. The first step in choosing the right neighborhood is identifying your priorities. Consider factors like proximity to work, schools, amenities, safety, and community vibe. Make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves to guide your search. 2. Research neighborhood amenities. Research neighborhood amenities to ensure they align with your lifestyle and preferences. Explore nearby parks, restaurants, shopping centers, fitness facilities, and entertainment options to get a sense of the area's offerings. 3. Evaluate school districts. If you have children or plan to start a family, school districts will be a crucial consideration. Research local schools' academic performance, extracurricular activities, and reputation to determine the best fit for your family's needs. 4. Consider safety and crime rates. Safety is paramount when choosing a neighborhood. Look into crime rates, neighborhood watch programs, and police presence to gauge the area's safety and security levels. 5. Explore transportation options. Evaluate transportation options available in the neighborhood, including public transit, highways, bike lanes, and walkability. Consider your commuting needs and access to essential services when assessing transportation infrastructure. 6. Attend local events and activities. Immerse yourself in the community by attending local events and activities. Visit farmers markets, festivals, and community gatherings to get a feel for the neighborhood's culture, diversity, and sense of community. 7. Take a tour of the neighborhood. Take a tour of the neighborhood to explore its streets, parks, and amenities firsthand. Walk or drive around different parts of the neighborhood at different times of the day to experience its vibe and energy. 8. Talk to current residents. Connect with current residents to gain insights into the neighborhood's strengths and weaknesses. Strike up conversations with neighbors, join local social media groups, and attend neighborhood meetings to gather valuable first-hand perspectives. 9. Trust your instincts. Ultimately, trust your instincts when choosing a neighborhood. Pay attention to how you feel when exploring the area, and envision yourself living there. If it feels like the right fit, it probably is. Conclusion. By considering your priorities, researching amenities, and immersing yourself in the community, you'll find a neighborhood that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable real estate tips.